shelve silently creates .bak files, even when you don't ask for them, and closing without sync erases your most recent writes, leaving you confused. Imports the shelve module, which provides persistent dictionary-like storage backed by a database file, enabling key-value data persistence across program, runs using standard dictionary syntax. Opens a shelve database file named test, creating it if it does not exist, and returns a shelf object that behaves like a dictionary but writes changes to disk. This initializes the persistent storage mechanism used in subsequent lines. Assigns the string value first to the key X in the shelf object D, storing it in memory within the shelf's internal buffer, but not yet written permanently to disk until sync or close is called. Forces immediate write of all pending changes from memory to the test database file on disk, ensuring the key value pair added in line 2 is durably stored before proceeding. Assigns the string value second to the key Y in the shelf object D, adding another entry to the in-memory cache that will persist only after sync or close is invoked again. Closes the shelve database connection, automatically triggering a final synchronization of all pending changes, including the Y equals second entry added on line 4, before releasing file handles and resources. Outputs a human-readable confirmation message indicating that the file operations preceding this line have completed, signaling that the shelve database test has been successfully written to disk. Always call sync before close, or use a context manager with writeback equals true if needed. Subscribe for daily coding videos.